It's Christmas time! Time to bake! My kitchen smells like Christmas! Christmas cake, anyone? Order up! Hi guys, it's the morning after the night and this is the sample, and I am gonna cut it and see what the density, the texture and the taste is like. So let's open. Okay, that came off with minimal damage, as you can see. Rock, rock, rock. Rock, rock, rock. Okay. There we go. Oh wow. Looking nice, if I may say so myself. Let's see if it will be as nice when we cut it. Okay, time to see if the proof is in the pudding, as they would say, or proof in the cake in this instant, because it's a cake, not a pudding. Okay, let's cut. Oh, okay. Feeling very good so far. Nice clean cut. Let's take that up. Nice. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So this was a specific requirement of my customer. So my customers, they didn't want like a more puddingy texture. They wanted a more cakey texture. Yes, like a sponge cake texture. So this is it. Oh wow, look how it's looking. Wow, so nice. So it's nice and moist, as you can see, and the texture is very good. Please do leave a comment in the comment section and let me know, what are your thoughts? What do you think? Do you make Christmas cakes as well in your country? Be sure to check out my previous live. I am going to be pinning it to this video, where I show you step by step of how I make my Jamaican rum cake. Also, everything will be in the description. I'm going to pair my slice of cake with some lemon and ginger tea, and that's what I'm having for breakfast. What do you have your cake with? Let me know. I'm having some lemon and ginger tea in one of my favorite mugs. And that's how they are looking. Lovely pair. Don't you guys think so? A cup of tea and cake. Jamaican rum cake, aka Christmas cake, aka black cake. Get your orders in.